Thanks, Maria. Wilson has been in the storm tracker for us, driving all over for us today. And how are the conditions out there right now, Maria?
They are, pretty much steady compared to what we've been seeing all morning. But I will say, if Gene is hearing people going somewhere warm and tropical, how do we all get in on that, right? Because this is what we're seeing here on 93 South in Londonderry. It is messy still. It has been messy for so much of the morning through all of this. It does seem like the snow rate itself has been tapering off a little bit, which has helped when it comes to visibility, but really this thick layer of what is now a mix of snow and slush is still on the road. And as more people are starting to come out and about, you really want to remind yourself, if you do have to be out on the roadways, it's going to take you a lot longer to stop. We at one point popped off the highway. We went around some of the main roads, some parking lots, and the turns can get a little slick. We've seen people fishtailing. We've hit a couple slick spots ourselves. And so you really want to make sure that if you are out and about, you are taking it slow, not just on the highway where that advisory speed is 45, but also really any road that you're out on. And this right here is our tire shot. And you can see just the layer of thick snow and slush that is on the road. You can see that the tread marks are kind of leaving an imprint as they are passing through. There's a little bit of water on our camera, which is hindering the view just a touch, but it's really been a slow commute, a messy commute all throughout the morning. And crews are doing their best to keep up with it, but with it being such a long duration of a storm, that in itself makes it very challenging for crews. We've heard so many of our colleagues talking about the wind. That is another thing that has been complicating things. At this point, the wind seems to not be as bad as it once was. At one point, we could hear like whistling on the car, and that was from the wind itself. And so as you can see, we're now sharing the road with a few other drivers, and so taking it slow is really going to be your best bet here if you do have to go out. Guys?
Yeah. And Maria, it looked like there was a mixture of some pavement there, and then at other times when you started this, it was almost completely snow covered. So it seems like a lot of variables out there.
Exactly, Sean. Every time we're about to go on air, and then every time you check in with us, it feels like a different story, a different sort of view of the streets here. And you're right, we've kind of been going into these different periods of fully snow covered and partially snow covered. A big thing that you can see is that the right side of the lanes have less snow on it compared to the left, and it's because the plow drivers have made their first pass through, and before they can come and get the second pass on the left-hand side, this is what we're left with here.
All right. Wondering how the road conditions are through the drive-through at Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks. Maria, have you figured that out yet?
I mean, a good journalist tests these things, right?
Exactly.
So, of course, we've had to stop, get our morning cup of coffee, and that is how I can say the parking lots are doing great.
Very good, very good. Just the plow drivers, just like Maria and our crews out there, they absolutely need their coffee to keep going today.
Got to fuel.
Yeah.
Exactly.